Hi, this is Janet from Try It, Like It, Create It, and today I want to show you a new technique I am doing with alcohol ink. I had bought some Spectrum Noir paper thinking it would be like Yupo, and it isn't. It actually absorbs the alcohol inks. So what I'm doing here is sprinkling different colors of alcohol ink onto my wet media mat that I bought from Waffle Flower. And then I'm going to use it like a monoprint and pick it up. So I think any surface would work. So like aluminum foil or kitchen cutting mat, you know, those plastic cutting mats, anything that's non-porous that the alcohol ink would sit on top of would work for this process. And then here I'm using the blending solution to get the colors to move around a little bit. And what actually happens is they kind of mix together, and that's not really the effect I want. So here I am moving it around on the mat, and you can see that it's all mixing together to make this kind of muted red, kind of cranberry color. So I'm going to take my paper and pick it up. Just lay the paper down and rub it, and the alcohol ink is absorbed by the paper. So that's the first layer of the print. So I'm not happy with it, so I want to see what else I can do. So now I'm going to go in with individual colors, and I'm adding blue right now, and I'm going to move it around on the mat, see if I can get it to travel a little bit, and then pick it up from the paper. And that seems to be working. So I'm going to continue on with this process using the different colors. I know I have a cranberry color, another red, a blue, and a yellow, I believe, and then I'm using the blending medium. I also have some alcohol, which I'm not using in this process, but I had it just in case I needed to use it, and I will use that to clean up with. Once again, picking it up with a piece of paper. And this is the darkest red that I have. I believe it's called cranberry. One more time with the blending solution. There, it's starting to actually build up some color, and I like the look of it. So here I am using the silver alcohol ink, and I have to shake it up to get it to work well. So using the same technique, I'm going to splatter it around. And those little drops really don't want to move much, so the blending solution does seem to get it to move a little bit further. With the silver, I'm using a generous amount because I really want it to cover and move over the entire surface. One more time with the paper to pick it up. And hopefully you can see the metallic effect. Okay, so I'm making a thank you card here, and what I have is the folded card base, And then I have that fun alcohol ink piece that I just made. And what I'm going to do is take this. This was a die cut. Here I have it backwards so you can see. This is a die cut that says thank you. Once I die cut it, I used a purple tape to hold the letters and the fillers in place because I'm going to put it on top of this so that it shows through. So I wanted to make sure that those negative pieces fit in where I need them. So the next thing I'm going to do is attach this to the base of my card. And I think what I'm going to do with this is use my Xyron machine. So sorry for the creaky chair as I turn around. I think this will actually make it go really fast. So I'm going to stick this through, and then I'm going to go ahead and do this as well. Okay, let me get this out of the way. Alright, and we'll start with the colored piece. Throwing the adhesive away and then picking up the paper. Now that has adhesive all over the back of it. And I'm just going to line it up on my card base here. And this is an exact match, so just take a second to get everything going. Okay, quick and easy. And then we'll do the same thing with the thank you. So I'm going to go ahead and stick the whole thing down gently. I'm not really giving it a lot of pressure. And I'm going to peel off my purple tape. And the reason I'm doing this gently is because I want to be able to lift that type out of there. So even though it has adhesive on the back of it, I should be able to lift it. Yeah. So I want to take as much adhesive with the wording as I can so I don't have to clean it up later. So you just want to go slow here. Almost missed the center of that A there. Maybe you saw it. I didn't catch it until it was picked up. I'm just working on some of the adhesive that was left behind. Alright, now I can rub down harder on this to make sure that it's sticking. I'm just getting all that adhesive off of my hand. So now I'm just going to go over it with my finger and pick up any of the adhesive that was left behind, and you can kind of see it falling up, I hope. If not, I'll bring it up closer to you so you can see. Okay, so can you see the extra adhesive here? And what I'm going to do is just take a piece of tape. Now I could use the adhesive films that I have and just go in and pick up those extra pieces. Now I'm just feeling to make sure there isn't any stickiness left. Alright, and then that becomes trash. And there we go. Finished card. Quick and easy. And ready for tomorrow because my daughter has to give a thank you gift to her teacher. So this will go with her present. And her present I'm going to wrap in this cute little red bag. So I wanted to do a card that had some red in it as well. So that was the purpose for this tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And I hope to see you back here again to see more craft tutorials.